Well, hello marketers. Now this is probably one of the sixth video of this course where we'll be talking about the keyword match types. In the last one, we discussed about generating a search campaign. In fact, we deployed a search campaign in the account with one ad group, which was diamond drop. And then I added three more ad groups in the campaign. We are yet to start getting the impressions. And you can see the campaign is live, but so after you make it live, the campaign goes in review. In fact, the ad copies stays in review, so are the keywords, and it usually take 2 to 4 hours to get into the active status. And once all the keywords and ad copies gets eligible, you start getting the impressions out of it. So everything is eligible over here, keywords and the ad copies. We also have the uh, amount in the account. So this is the added amount in the account. However, we are yet to get the first impression of this campaign. Now, in this one, we'll be talking about how do you change keywords from broad to phrase or phrase to exact, and then how do you understand the keyword match types. Now, before we discuss about keyword match types in detail, let's change the keywords from broad to phrase. So we have to choose all the keywords, click on edit sign, and then we click on change match types. And from here, we can change the keywords from broad to exact or phrase. So when you add your keywords in the campaign, it goes in the broad match, which is a keyword without a sign. However, if you want to change it from broad to phrase or exact, you simply choose the keyword. You either click over here or you click on the top of the keyword selection list and then change the match type. So that's how you apply changing of your keywords from broad to phrase. It takes a while to change your keywords, and then all the keywords can be changed into the phrase match. So now let's discuss about how does it work. So we can have three keywords in three match types: broad, phrase, exact. The fourth one is the negative. Now, if you have a keyword in broad, it means ad shows on any of the word in the keyword or relevant terms. So if no spin is there in your keyword list, then ads will be shown when any single word of this keyword is available in the Google search term. So if person types nose pin, nose ring, nose jewelry, ear pin, or even if someone only types pin, then the chances are that your ads are going to be visible if it's in broad match. Now, this kind of match type is needed for companies who are looking for huge brandings and they're not really worried about getting the right or relevant traffic on the account, on the website. So if the idea is to do branding, you should be going with broad match. Otherwise, you should always be ignoring getting into broad match keywords, going with either phrase match or the exact ones. Now, if you have the same keyword nose pin in the phrase match, then your ads are going to be shown on the relevant terms or phrases with the same meaning. So nose pin keyword in phrase can show your ads on searches like nose pin, which is the same search, then nose ring because it's having the quite same meaning, and then I want nose pin. So anything which contains nose pin is going to show the ads. Anything which is having the same meaning will also show the ads. However, for searches like ear pin, jewelry pins, nose piercing, nose clipping pins, your ads are not going to be shown on these kind of queries. But in the case of broad, even nose piercing was supposed to show an ad, which is not even a nose pin because the keyword was added in broad match. Now, exact is going to show the ad to people who are having or typing the words with the same meaning or exactly the same term. So nose pin is going to show the ads on nose pin. It will also show the ads on nose pins, but then rest of the searches will be blocked. So ads will not be shown on the non-relevant terms or not exact terms of this keyword. So that's how we decide whether to put the keyword in the phrase match or on the exact match. Now, if you really think you have some words on which you totally want to block your ads, you can add those terms in negative. Now, let's say you sell a good number of pins on the website, but then you don't have the black pins or you don't have the red pins. So what you can do, you can simply go to the campaign or the account and you can add the term black or red in negative. Similarly, if you don't sell silver pins or silver nose pins, then you add the term silver in negative. So any query which is going to have either of these three terms, if somebody types black nose pin, your ad will be blocked. If somebody types red nose pin, again the ad will be blocked. And if someone types silver nose pin, again your ad will get blocked. So that's how we ensure that our ads are going to be showing up on the most relevant terms by either having our keywords in phrase match or in exact match. Now, what I want you to do, people who have opted for the course, I want them to come back to this sheet, and then you set up a campaign with one group in broad match, one group in phrase match, and the third in the exact match. So you should be having three groups in the campaign, each group with one match type starting with broad, phrase, and exact, and also try to add some keywords in negative. I'll see you in the next one.